Amandla awethu die GNU die phambili ngomkhonyazi phambili phambili uArthur Fraser phambili die Ramaphosa die Ramaphosa die. Comrades sibingelele ubuholi bonke ekhundla zabo sibingelele all ground forces amandla. Comrades, as young people of the MK party, we are saying Mkhwanazi is us and we are Mkhwanazi. You touch Mkhwanazi, you touch us. We are saying to Ramaphosa and the Commission National, Mkhwanazi akathole i-second term. Uzakwazi ukulungisela iprovince yethu KwaZulu-Natal. We are saying, comrades, uArthur Fraser wasikhombisa iphalaphala. Samlibala, comrades. We are saying Mkhwanazi to the brave stand. Asingamlahle manje Mkhwanazi asambe naye kuze bese egcineni. And we are saying as young people in those killings and the KwaZulu-Natal, it's us young people who are suffering. Because kufa abazali bethu, obaba bethu noma bethu. Kodwa uhulumeni wethu uyathula. Young people are eating drugs. Kodwa uyathula uhulumeni. Uthe Mkhwanazi ama-drugs enzeka naye eGoli eSandton. Down drugs down. Now we are saying Ramaphosa, if you're honorable, Ngena Mandela, we are saying that Madiba with your spirits. Sicela Ramaphosa ahambe emhlabeni aye phezulu ngoba uyasibulala uRamaphosa. Now we are saying Ramaphosa, be honorable and resign Ramaphosa. You have failed young people of this country. We have no solution. Siyagraduate asisebenzi. What do you do? Sika u-350 njalo ngenyanga. Ungenzani ngo-350 umuntu omusha ufundile? Siyacela comrades, next year siyama-election. Asambeni sibize wonke umuntu esimaziyo avotele i-MK. Ungasijahi isikhundla. Join i-MK kodwa yena umuntu. Uze nami ehamba kusasa, usale kwi-MK ungahambi naye. I-MK yabantu, akuyona umuntu. Sihole Msholozi, sihole. Die GNU die.
Comrades, the next speaker is Comrade Shirley Brown, who's a the message of support immediately after comrade order. Immediately bakaqeda uComrade Shirley Brown usomlomo wenhlangano uzosifundela imemorandum le esibhalile siyiparty siyi-movement lapho sisho khona ukuthi manje kuzokwenzeka kanje. Immediately bakaqeda i-leadership ubuholo ophezulu bapha ubuholo obuphezulu buzowalka buyoyideliver imemorandum noma bangathi siwalke siyilethe amaskrali sizohamba asiphela amandla. Comrade Shirley Brown, you can come to the platform.
Sikulendawo sithi siyawugada umzila asisheshi sikhathele kuzofoma ama-commission, and lawo ma-commission at the end of the day they come with 0 results. Sesihlakaniphele indlela uRamaphosa asebenza ngayo. Sithi sikhathele umkhulu is a liar by birth. Umkhulu uqamba azaqamba manga phakathi eParliament. One day sambuza umkhulu sithi sicela i-toll free number la abantu bazofona baripote khona. Umkhulu uyasinikeza eParliament. Same time umkhonto wesizwe sifonela le number. I-number ithi the number does not exist. Umkhulu uthe umkhulu makufuneka i-DNA from uprincipal. Umkhulu wathi uprincipali sekayinikezele i-DNA kodwa angazange ayinikezela. Sikhathele ukubuswa abaqambi manga, abathengisi besizwe. ANC ithengisile iku-GNU as we speak because namhlanje they are bowing under the master's table. They are busy catching up crumbs from the master's table, kodwa at the expense yabantu base-South Africa. Sithi thina umkhulu nabo bonke abantu aba-involved, ngisho namajaji lawa abathi yibo abazohlala kulama-commission, siyabathemba kanjani ngoba nabo they are convicted ngokwabo. How are they going to judge? How are they going to come with good results being conflicted? Sithi baba hambe, sithi party ngama-commissions party, party ngomkhulu party, sithi phakama mkhwanazi phakama, phakama mkhwanazi phakama, uyiqhawe mkhwanazi uyiqhawe, amandla, all power.
bahambayo olololo naidemo olololo yangumkhoto abandla. Comrades, lento ngizoyenza manje ngizofunda imemo vela ngithi thina namagwala abafuna ukuvela nabazoyi-accepta imemo yabo, kodwa lento sizoyenza ke ukuthi sizoyifunda maqeda lapho leadership izoyiyisa lapha bayisayine and then sizoyi-circulate kuma-group niyibone ukuthi bayisayinile. Memorandum of demand to the Presidency of South Africa and the Police Ministry from Umkhonto Wesizwe Party to Presidency of South Africa. We copy the Minister of Police. The preamble states, we as Umkhonto Wesizwe Party view the month of July as the month of injustice. The events of the unrest of the July 2021 are still fresh in our memory. And we cannot forget that this president presided over one of the most chaotic periods in the country and in the history of this country. To the top of it all, he entered into a coalition Nabelu in a deliberate plot to destroy the state
and the reactionary and counter-revolutionary government masquerading as the GNU. We believe that Cyril Ramaphosa is not fit to lead our country, and he must do the honorable thing as Comrade Nelson Mandela would do. The honorable thing for Ramaphosa to do is to resign immediately. We are disappointed at this so-called president called Ramaphosa for calling a media briefing to tell the country that Mkhunu is going to be put on special leave, and that he's establishing a commission of inquiry. Mkhunu has stated that there's members in the judiciary that are also complicit, that are also part of this criminality. So how can we trust them to lead a commission of inquiry? This is an urgent criminal matter. It does not need an inquiry. Inquiries are just documents that are sent to the president, and they don't hold this government accountable. We want people held accountable. Most of these commissions are used as political laundromats to clean up their mess, to clean up their political activities, to clean up their criminal activities. Today we say, when crime is exposed, it must be dealt with now. We are marching today reflecting on the significance of this day, because it's known internationally as Nelson Mandela Day. The day where people around the world reflect and take time to act in a way that serves humanity. Even ayaziwa iGNU, they can't save abantu. We believe that a time such as this, we have then, for the first commander, Mandela being the first commander of the liberation movement and the liberation army, would call for the ANC to do what we did to apartheid. We are doing that to the ANC today. We are saying they have failed us, and they must fall in the same way the apartheid government failed. The ANC of Ramaphosa has turned the ANC of Oliver Tambo into a scavenger feeding on the black masses as it was founded to liberate. It is behind this unfortunate realization that today we deliver this memorandum, as we refuse to submit but vow to fight for the total liberation of our people. We therefore demand the following: an immediate resignation of Cyril Ramaphosa. Number 2, immediate arrest for those that are implicated in criminality, as per Mkhwana's statement. The immediate firing of Senzo Mkhunu. Abamxoshe. No judicial commission. We want court cases for those that are charged. If Mkhwanazi can arrest and charge 436, what about those in parliament? What about those in the judiciary? And what about those in government? The immediate unsealing of the CR17 statements. We also want accountability for Palapala. Ramaphosa must go to court and face the law. If President Zuma can go and face the law, why can't Ramaphosa? He must be locked up for Palapala. We are giving this government 14 days to react. If they don't respond, we are going to take over this country peacefully so. We are going to take over this country by protesting. We are going to vote him out in parliament. We are going to take him to the constitutional court. Amandla! Away, two.